Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah, this is Clint Hansen.
Hello.
We're here to answer your questions and we're super excited to do it. Clint, how are you?
I'm well, how are you?
I'm doing good, just fine. Enjoying this lovely fall season that we're in, basking in the fallness of the fall that we're feeling when we go outside and it's fall. Have you done anything to celebrate fall?
Actually, I did.
Did you?
I did.
What did you do?
So, this was a different place, because we normally go to the same place in terms of pumpkins, fall festival and stuff. We're still going to do that. However, my wife's going to like that one. Do you know she makes fun of me because I say however all the time? Do I say that a lot?
Yeah, maybe.
Anyhow, however, Mrs. Hansen, yeah, we went to Santa's farm. And I had never been. My wife had heard about it, so it was awesome. It was fantastic. Everyone was nice. They had horseback riding, zip lining for the kids, slides, face paint.
Santa's farm?
Santa's farm in Eustis.
But was it Christmas themed?
No, it's just called Santa's farm, but it was full of pumpkins and Halloween stuff and mazes, and there was food. They had beer. They had everything we needed. So we took all the kids. Tatiana and Gemma got their faces painted.
Nice.
Gemma still has her face painted because she won't let me clean it off. But yeah, you've been proud.
Did you and Julie get your face painted?
No, we did not.
Painted? Well, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, see, you're surprised, right?
I am surprised, and I'm a little jealous, and I feel a little bad because I actually haven't gone to a fall festival yet.
You know, the phrase hypocrite comes to mind. Like, you talk about fall all the time.
The thing is, my reason is very good because I'm just getting very nervous. The reason is very good because it's still pretty warm outside and I don't want to go to a fall festival and it still feels like summer. I want to go to the fall festival. Jeffrey, what was that look you just made?
I can explain that look.
No, I am an idealist and I want to go to the fall festival and feel the fall in the air, and so I was just waiting for the proper time.
Do you plan on going further from the equator to do this in the next couple weeks? Because it's going to be over, and then that is going to be done and the opportunity's missed.
No, I am going to go soon. Actually, I'm going to a fall festival this week on Friday. Tomorrow.
It's probably going to be hot.
Clint!
Sarah?
Are you ready for a question?
Yes, ma'am.
Sweet. Because I already started pulling the question up. Here we go.
Okay.
This question is from our friend Lewis Jackson.
Okay.
Lewis says, question, I've been running a 16-inch pinned FSB Government Modern Series on one of my primary rifles for quite some time. A B.E. Myers 249F has been living on the barrel. I'm entertaining the idea of chopping to 13.7 for a pin/configuration. Would I need to get the gas port opened up for reliable function? Are there any special considerations that I need to have?
First thing that pops out, yes, you may have to open up that gas port. However, have the job done and then shoot it and see if you do. We were talking about our buddies over at Sons of Liberty, and they're 13.7. And the gas port they run on that is actually around 78 thousandths, which is the same as a 16. So depending on the parts you have on it, it may be okay. So I think it'd be worth cutting it down and then shooting it as is to see where you need to go. And then incrementally going up in size, okay? So maybe you'll land at 81 thousandths, 82 maybe, okay? So great question. The other thing is make sure whoever's cutting it down knows what they're doing. You want your threads and everything concentric, okay? So it's not just the easiest thing in the world. However, I'm assuming you know someone who can do that.
Clint.
Yeah.
Are you ready for a second question?
Yes.
2 questions today.
Okay.
Because it's Thursday. It also starts with T. Bill Smith says, howdy Clint and Sarah.
Howdy.
Bill. What effect does a brake/comp have on the gas pulse or dwell time compared to a bare muzzle or flash hider?
Interesting. I wouldn't say it's not affecting dwell time at all. It's not messing with that. Your dwell time is your dwell time. If you're throwing a suppressor on it, okay, we can call it increasing dwell time or barrel length because it's increasing back pressure, obviously. But in terms of flash hider and just a thread protector, nothing. You know, you're just either hiding flash, which isn't really going to mess with back pressure or anything like that at all. Comps and brakes, Okay, now we're getting somewhere. So regardless of your gas system or where it is, it's going to do the same thing. Okay, so we talk about what muzzle brakes do. If you have an overgas system, or if you're looking to flatten that system out just a little bit, a muzzle brake is going to basically get rid of energy that you would normally recycle and use for the rig to function. So yeah, your muzzle brake itself is going to exhaust a little energy that you would normally recycle for the rig. Okay, so don't think of it as affecting dwell time when you're putting a brake or a comp on it. Okay, what you're doing is you are going to manipulate you with the muzzle brake and how it affects the rig and your perception of the feeling. Okay, and it's going to create a lot of flash. So keep that in mind. Your buddy's next to you, you're at the range, you got shorty on you. He might be mad at you after it's all done. Just saying, that's the reality of it all. But there's a lot of fun. There's always a time to make noise. I think, I usually shoot it suppressed, and I like to do that. But every once in a while, yeah, I like to hear that thumping.
That was it. That was all the questions.
We're all done?
You did such a good job.
Thanks.
Our friends, you guys did such a good job. Thank you so much for sending us questions.
Indeed.
Guys, if you liked this video, and we know you did, click that little thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the little bell icon so that you get a notification every time we post a new video. We have new Q&A videos up every Thursday. What? Yeah, it's true. You like my gum fingers?
I did, that was pretty good.
And if you want to see Clint Hansen here answer one of your questions, make sure to comment below. We sure can't wait to see what you send us. Clint?
Yes, Sarah.
It's time to go.
Well,
it's time to say goodbye.
I don't want to go!
It's time to go.
Oh, shucks.
It's time to say goodbye to our friends. Oh, man.
We
Guys,
get it together? What the
No.
Her fucking stomach is so loud.
Anyway, we should move on to questions.
Absolutely, let's do that. Yeah. Right after your stomach stops making noise.